Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play I Am Cat Game Level 2. As a playful feline, your primary objective is to embrace your inner mischief and complete a series of assigned tasks. These missions often involve creating delightful chaos in human spaces. By successfully finishing these objectives, you will earn valuable fish coins, which are essential for your progression. Remember to explore every nook and cranny. Hidden items and secrets are everywhere, waiting for your curious paws. To excel, you must master your feline abilities. You can walk, jump over shelves, and climb walls with ease. Use your paws to interact with objects, knocking them off tables or grabbing them for fun. Many tasks involve breaking specific items, like 5 plates or 10 vases, so keep an eye out for fragile targets. These actions not only fulfill objectives, but also contribute to your overall score and coin collection. Many missions require you to interact with specific items. For instance, you might need to turn on the dance channel on the television or knock 10 books off shelves. Some tasks involve solving simple puzzles, like finding a 4-digit code, such as 0426, to unlock a computer. Always be on the lookout for keycards. These are crucial for opening new doors and progressing to different parts of the house or other locations. To truly master the game, strategic progression is key. A top tip is to purchase the Golden Claws early, costing 80 fish coins, as they greatly enhance your speed. Remember to use your cat bed to save your progress and sometimes even complete certain tasks. Always be a detective. Secret rooms, like the one hidden behind a large wall clock, often contain valuable items and further your mischievous journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.